What's going on, everybody? So, got a little bit of a new segment here. My goal is to be able to send these videos to clients when they ask about a certain product. And this product we just put up on our website, something that we did have, but it wasn't really on our site. This whole combination that we offer, and you could buy them in separate pieces, and we're going to include all the links below. It allows you ultimately to data log air fuels, which ultimately allows me to be able to e-tune your car. If you're not familiar with e-tuning, basically it's tuning by email. I send you a copy of the tune with instructions on how to data log what I'm looking for. You send the data log back. I send you back revisions. We go back and forth until it's done. So first and foremost, this is going to be for the S300 setup. You see we have a complete computer already, all assembled. You got the S300 board, and you got the stock computer that's all modified to accept this board. Now what you're going to want to keep in mind, see these little prongs right here and right here? This is what we're going to be talking about when I show you the harness. And the next two pieces we have, which we'll start off with, which everybody sees, an air fuel wideband gauge from AEM. This is the bare minimal gauge that we recommend, nothing cheaper. That's on you if you're going to go with anything cheaper. We find that these work fairly decent, they're priced fairly well, and if you do have an issue with something not working, AEM usually will take care of you, but can't say that's going to be the case for every situation. The next thing we have is going to be our analog harness. So you can see, going back what I said before with the S300 board, those little prongs, this guy is going to plug right into those little prongs. It comes all wired up with a connector already on this end, which let me show you the gauge wiring really quickly. You have the harness that's going to go into the gauge with a connector on the end that will plug into our harness, making this setup a complete plug and play. Now you do still have to wire the AEM gauge to your vehicle. Of course, we cannot do that because we don't have the car. This is more so for online type orders. And of course, in order for us to wire this to your gauge wiring already, you have to either purchase the gauge from us, or we do sell the harness, the gauge harness separate. Or if you purchase the gauge elsewhere, you can always ship the harness to us and we'll modify it. One last thing, if you order the package from us, we will also send you, and when I say package, I mean the computer, the gauge, the harness. We'll also send you a free startup base map that will be also set up for your gauge. It's that simple. So if you got any questions, please feel free to reach out. Email is going to be best, rcautoworks@gmail.com. All the links are down below that you need. But once again, we're here to help. Shoot us an email if you have any more questions. Thank you.